Hello to all the YouTube follows, how are you? So today's English topic is modern idioms. So it's very important for everyone who wants to learn English. The first is blow me away, means amazed you or impressed you in a very different way. Like he blew me away by his performance in the event. Like he amazingly surprised me by his performance. So that's how you use this idiom, blow me away, right? Please subscribe to the channel if you like my videos. The very next is burst his or her bubble, meaning breaking someone's illusion. So we are basically all living in a delusional world because we have a lot of tensions around us. We have a lot of stressful environment, ambience around us. So we tend to live in delusional world. So breaking someone's bubble or like bursting someone's bubble is equal to breaking their delusional world or showing them the reality, right? The very next is cry over spilt milk, means regret for what is already done. So when something bad happened, you can say, oh, shouldn't I do this, it won't be happen. So that's the cry over spilt milk, means what's already done. You cannot show your regret for what's already done, right? The very next is beat around bush, means avoid talking about what's important and talking about the stupid and silly stuff around you. So then you can say, don't beat about the bush, please come to the point, right? Okay, the very next is get your act together, means organize yourself or work on yourself or improve your behavior. So we may face a lot of people who are showing some ill-mannered behavior when we come across. So the only solution to those people, according to me, is you just stay quiet. You don't need to say anything to them because it's useless. It goes all in vain to teach them because they will never gonna improve. So if you can find someone who really can improve their behavior, then you could tell them, get your act together, right? And the last is steal someone's thunder. It means enjoying someone else's achievement, means someone else has or have done that work, but you are enjoying the limelight. So that's when you use the idiom steal someone's thunder. So hopefully you like the video. Must subscribe to the channel if you find my videos interesting and useful. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, just be positive, take care of yourself, be kind to everyone. Goodbye.